ate, mas gusto ko dito. Kasi hindi dito na tayo sa hagdan.
There's one thing in my life that still that still will through. Can I count on you? Ayan yung dalawang baboys, dalawang bogart ni Mami Flor. You too.